Let's take a look at people distraction removal. I'm starting in advanced mode of Photoshop Elements 2026, which was the first version to release this feature. I've opened a couple of photos to work with that have people distraction in the background. The new feature is found in the Remove tool. So in the toolbar, under the Enhance section, click on the Remove tool. For this new feature to work, all you have to do is to go over here on the right side of the tool options and click on the little people icon. Under that icon, it says Find People in the Background. So I'll click on that icon, and almost immediately it has located all of the extras in the background of my photo. Now, if your photo doesn't have a very clear subject, it might have a little bit of trouble doing that. Let's see what happens when I click Done. Almost just as instantly, the people in the background were removed. Let's try a different image. Here's an image at a football game. I don't want to remove all these people, but I would like to remove the people in the background here that are leaving after the game. So again, I'm going to click on this people icon here to find the people in the image. And once again, it has found the people that I'm wanting to remove. That looks pretty smart to me. I'll click Done, and actually, I'm pretty impressed with the results. I wasn't really expecting Photoshop Elements to fill in that space with pixels that actually look like they belong, but I think it's really done a great job. So if you have some images that would benefit from people distraction removal, give this new feature a try. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. This has been Jen White with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.